Get noticed in this 2008 Lexus GX470. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, reach your destination effortlessly with the GPS navigation. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. The sunroof lets fresh air in. There are so many things to remember in our busy lives. Let your vehicle do some of the work for you with memory settings. A vehicle history report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information, is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Click or call to set up a test drive right away.